All right, so here it is. The porch is finally complete. It's passed inspection, and the only thing left is I'm waiting for an outside contractor to install the continuous gutters all the way across the front of my house to the other side, which is out of my hands. So as far as I'm concerned, this job is complete. Let's take a little walk up here and see how it looks. Those two short sections of decking right there is where the hose faucet is on the house. So this winter I have some poles that I'm going to machine a pocket in there, and then there's a little ring that you grab onto and pull out. I got them on Amazon, and it's for live well covers on a bass boat. And they're all stainless steel, and just machine a pocket in that board and screw them in there, and it'll be real nice. Look very professional, and it's going to be flush with the surface so you don't trip over it, and easy to remove. There's the metal ceiling. The lap joints turned out pretty good. About as good as they ever turn out, which isn't that great, but I started on the north end of the porch and worked my way to the south end so that the joints, the butt ends of the previous sheet are not exposed, so when you walk up to the door, you don't see those butt joints. See, you can't even hardly tell where they are. Matter of fact, I can't tell. Got a new light fixture on the wall. All vinyl, so there's little maintenance, just cleaning, power wash it probably once or twice a year, and it'll look like $1,000,000. Got new windows up above, new picture window down below. Everything turned out real nice. There's how it looks from a little bit farther back. I think it makes the house look really different, very different from when we started. Actually gives it some curb appeal, I would say. Look at that. What a huge difference. The landscaping is going to be changed a little bit in the front. My wife doesn't like these tall plants right here, so these guys are going to go, I think that's a hardy hibiscus right here. That's going to go. This one is a false indigo. That's going to go. And I'm kind of upset because I like this ornamental grass right here, but she says that's got to go too. Got to go. Then we're going to reconfigure the rock border. That's going to be reconfigured to go around the front of the porch and then tie into that nice big rock that I have right there, which that's my favorite one. I just love the way it looks. So we're going to redo that, and I think she's going to get some shorter hydrangeas to put on there that only get about 3 feet tall, or less, so that they don't block the porch railing and stuff. So this over here, this guy right here, is a hydrangea. This thing. And there's another one way out there on the property line, which actually used to be right here. So that was a big one. I mean, that thing was 6 or 7 feet tall. It was huge. But it was really pretty, and we didn't want to just throw it away. So I took the forks on the tractor. I got down in there with the forks, and I kind of dug down on a couple places over here and went back in this way, and I just boop, popped that thing right out. And we hauled it over there to the property line, way over there between those two trees, and transplanted it, and it's doing really well. I've had to water it a lot this year because it's so dry, but after a while it'll be just fine. So there you have it. There's the porch. I appreciate everyone watching, and this has been a very difficult project for me, as I had a knee injury in the middle of it and had to rely on some dear friends from my church to help finish some projects, some parts of the project that I just couldn't do myself. And so I am very thankful for those people and how they've helped me with this project. And it's been really good. It turned out well. When the inspector came over and looked at it, he said, he goes, I have to compliment you on this project. He said, you did a very good job on it. And he said, and if I hadn't known that you just added this on, I would have thought that it had been here since the house was built. He said a lot of projects that he sees in our township, it's very obvious that it was an add-on, or it didn't quite match up right or something like that. He said, but this really looks nice, and he said I did a good job. So I guess I appreciate that, and I try to do a good job. Anyway, thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next project.